Good morning, students. Today we will see about discontinuous nature of matter by doing small activities. Do you know what is matter? The substance which has mass and occupies space is matter, and it is in three stages. They are solid, liquid, and gas. Further, you know, matter is made up of very tiny particles. In between the particles, what does present? What do you think about? In between the particles, there are spaces. This is said discontinuous nature of matter. So here, firstly, we do an activity to find out the discontinuous nature of solid. For this, needed things are a chalk piece, Ujala laundry liquid, a watch glass, and a small piece of A4 paper. Here, I place a chalk piece on the Ujala liquid. You carefully observe what is happening. Ujala violet moves upwards along the chalk piece. How is it possible? You know, chalk is solid matter, Ujala violet is liquid. These liquid particles move in the solid, but both the liquid Ujala violet and the solid chalk piece are made up of very tiny particles of each component respectively. Here, in between the particles of chalk, there are spaces. Through these, liquid particles of Ujala liquid move upwards. Hence, this activity confirms discontinuous nature of solid. It is better using chalk piece in this activity, but it can be repeated using a rolled small piece of A4 paper instead of chalk piece. Here you observe this activity too. Paper is solid. Ujala liquid moves along the paper upwards similar to chalk piece. Next activity is to find out the discontinuous nature of liquid. For this, needed things are Kamenov crystals, water, and a jar. Here, I pour water into a glass jar. This is Kamenov crystals, that is potassium permanganate crystals. It is in violet in color. Now I am adding potassium permanganate into the water. You now observe carefully what is happening. Water turns to violet colored solution. Here, potassium permanganate is the solid matter that is made up of very tiny particles. It moves through the spaces which are present in the water, so it confirms the discontinuous nature of liquid. Our final activity is to find out the discontinuous nature of gases. For this, needed things are two glasses of same size, joysticks, handle, matchbox, concentrated HNO3, copper metal, test tubes. Here, to confirm the discontinuous nature of gas, we will do two activities. First one, which I am going to do, is a very simple activity It can be done by students very easily. Here, I collect the smoke of burning those sticks in one glass, then place that glass on the mouth of other glass and immediately turns that setup inwardly as shown in the video. Now you observe carefully what is happening. Here, smoke moves upwards in the upper glass, which has no smoke earlier. Smoke is in the bottom glass. In the upper glass only, air is present. Air is made up of particles. In between the particles, there are spaces. Through the spaces, the smoke moves. Therefore, it confirms this continuous nature of gas. The second activity, this is also to confirm the discontinuous nature of gas, but this activity should be done as demonstration by the teacher because preparation of nitrogen dioxide gas and handling of concentrated nitric acid, we should take more care on this. Here, I add little amount of copper metal to concentrated nitric acid which is present in test tube. Now you observe carefully. Here, a reddish brown color nitrogen dioxide gas comes out. Here, reddish brown color nitrogen dioxide gas moves through the spaces which are found in between the air particles. Again, this confirms the discontinuous nature of gas. In summary, we studied the discontinuous nature of matter, solid, liquid, and gas by doing small activities respectively. Finally, I would like to mention one important thing. This knowledge about discontinuous nature of matter, it starts from grade 8 science, but you have to know there are questions in GCE O level and A level papers. Thank you so much for your watching. Don't forget to like, give a comment and subscribe my channel. Bye. Come soon with another practical video.